You're not thinking I'm taking over the Carter.
Yeah, we taking over the Carter.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. Yeah, I know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. You new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, before we get into this vid, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint. You already know by the title of the vid. My pickups, this joint right here came in from Nike. As a matter of fact, did it, I don't know if it took a while. No, I don't think it did take a while, but anyway, man, F all that. Let's just get into the vid. I ain't even trying to hold y'all, man, because I want to see this joint. Ooh. You guessed it. You already know. Yes, got the large. All right, cool. Damn. I got a puffer jacket from Nike. Retail price was $180. I don't even know. Is the price on? Okay, yeah, $180. But they let me use my military discount, and I got to use what other thing? Oh, my $20 birthday coupon. Let me let it slide. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of got back from what I spent on them Fearless ones. But anyway, yo, you know what I'm trying to. I don't know. Does it just because?
He the benefit of that thing. He was a little overzealous.
So I copped this jacket right here, thinking that it was gonna bang with these joints because somebody, shout out to my man Savage26. I didn't really pay too much attention. I had went straight to the Nike site and seen this joint, and on the Nike site it looks like real red.
Absolutely not.
But when boy was talking back to me, like tell me the description, he like habanero red. I like fuck, that don't sound like it. So I know this red ain't going. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, this probably ain't it. But I do like this joint. Hell yeah, you know what I'm saying? Nice. It reminds me of like some UK shit. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Brixton by the way. That's my son. Word. But yo, let me try this joint on. Now this is not my winter coat. I got my eyes set on, you know what I'm saying? I got something coming. I do got something coming, like for real. But nah, this joint's straight. It's not gonna be like New York like you know, come February and all that, but anywhere else, like down south or something, oh yeah, you kinda straight. Word. Huh? Hold up, give me a second. Oh yeah, you know I'm gonna bang this. Huh? You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Oh no, I just have to see it. Probably not like that though, but you know, give it a little slack, you know what I'm saying? Give it some slack. Hell yeah. So yeah man, now this is a straight joint, man. You got your 2 zippers right here, man. Nice room in the pocket. So, you know, you put your wallet, put any type of belongings, maybe some keys or something, boom, zip the joint up. I'm loving the zipper right here. Damn, reminds me of that tech zipper. Is this metallic? I don't know what it is. But yeah, no, I like the joint. Easy access. You ain't really gotta grab, like sit there fumbling trying to get the actual zipper. You can just boom. Hell yeah. Word. One thing that I wish it did do though, you know down here, boom, right here, I wish it had like a drawstring or something so I could really like grip you, cause I like my joints like fitted to like kind of like hit you with that grip, you know what I'm saying? But no, other than that, man, this joint's straight. The white zipper, it really makes this whole color like pop. But nah, you turn a few heads in this joint. Now I don't know if it's really gonna do with these, you know what I'm saying? I don't think so. Nah, cause I know the red's off and the blue's off from right here. Don't know about right here because I'm a little bit colorblind, but yeah, I know, man. But yeah, man, shout out to Nike 134. But yeah, like I said, this ain't my winter coat by no means. But yeah, this joint alright though. Let me know what y'all think about this joint. Oh yeah, and then you got the hoodie, boom. So just in case, you know, it get cold, throw that hoodie on, you know what I'm saying?
You look like a gangster.
Word. But yo, up here, it's like a white tee. Like about the wall, like some what? You know what I'm saying? Like, hell no, you gotta watch it. But now this joint for the most part is cool. I do like how the sleeves will grip you. So for me, like I like when I rock my watches, I like my gear to like stop so you can peep the watch. You know what I'm saying? So you know, you see it's something there. You know what I'm saying? Even if I wouldn't fold this back, but sometimes with like my hoodies or something, if the sleeve's a little too long, I'll cuff it back just so the watch can get its play too. You know what I'm saying? Because you know the gear gotta stop and go somewhere. You know, it can't just keep going. Stop. You know what I'm saying? Gotta obey the rules at all times. But anyway, yo, my next pickup, gotta package it from Lace Kings. You can use my discount code. Matter of fact, my discount code, the link will be below. You can save 15% off your purchase. Shout out to Lace Kings for blessing me with these shoestrings. Let me see what they're about. I've been looking for a company to hit me off with some laces for a minute, and they came through in the clutch. So let's see what we're working with over here. Oh yeah, and don't forget, you can use the hashtag LKMyWay or Lace Kings. Both those hashtags on IG. All right, so my first joint, okay. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Feel like Nino Brown, you know what I'm saying? Free base, so what? Nah. But yo, check this out. All their laces come in this like vial right here. Crack, but nah, you know what I'm saying? A crack area. Nah, but yeah, so boom, you got your vial. I call it a vial. Lace Kings in black. Now on the back, it'll tell you what type of laces they are. It even comes with a barcode. The top. Oh no, it's a plastic top, and it looks. I don't know. It might be like aluminum, but no, yo, this is real. This is straight right here. So that's my first one, and here go my second joint. Oh yes, I think I see 2 videos coming up out of this. Yo, shout out to Lace Kings, man. So this joint, these supposed to be like the pink laces, but I really think these are kind of like hot pink, or we're gonna make them. We're gonna try to force them in some infrared. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm making another video with this joint, definitely. So boom, Lace Kings. Don't forget, on IG, that's at Lace Kings. Hell yeah. And what am I gonna do with these joints?
Tell me, somebody.
I'm putting them in my wave runners. You know what I'm saying? I've been wanting the orange lace for a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and lace these joints up, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. Don't forget, follow Lace Kings on IG. You can use my discount code. I'm leaving the link below. Save 15% off the laces. But yeah, we finna throw these in the wave runners right quick. Yo, word, what y'all think about these joints, man? Hell yeah. Threw them orange joints in. I already know the fit I'ma rock. I got that, I got that San Francisco Giants joint, so you already know. Oh, another thing that I just realized with them, on the lace tips, they actually have Lace Kings written on the joint. But yo, shout out to Lace Kings again. Use my discount code WAVY80, save 15%. I'm gonna have that link down below. You can also use the hashtag LKMyWay or hashtag Lace Kings. Follow them on IG at Lace Kings. As a matter of fact, I got another vid that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a lace up joint. Cat's been asking me about my favorite J's, the Jordan 6s. Stay tuned for that joint. It's coming up next. But anyway, like I said, 400 likes on this joint. You see I had to come up out that jacket, man. It's a little warm, but it ain't no for that New York February or nothing like that. It ain't for that. No. But anyway, yo, y'all ain't know, shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me. Shout out to Lace Kings again, and Nike with the fly tie. But anyway, everybody get up out of here. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be.
Oh my gosh.
But that's Snubs.
Oh shoot.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What Your Beats. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.